Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Link's in the description. Go now! Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. So many people are talking about it because